Hello, welcome back to Easy Codes for Kids. My name is Stephanie Sutton. This fabulous shark has been created by Creatto, and I love this as a STEM project for your teen, preteen, maybe even elementary student. Now, when you create something like this that has many different plastic parts, these great little plastic parts, you might have to help your teen do this, or your preteen, and you definitely will have to help an elementary student do this. Look at these great little fun lights. This can also be a night light hanging in your child's room. This is a great STEM project. It's a great birthday gift, it's a great Christmas gift, it's just an all-around really fun use of plastic and light, and it's a feat of engineering because these are all little, most of these are just little squares, and you fit them in together, and it's very tactile, and it feels like a plastic bottle that you drink pop out of, and it's just, or maybe a milk jug, and it's just really great, and it's not sharp at all. You don't have to worry about your student hurting themselves, and it does take time to do this. I think that my 14-year-old did this probably in about an hour. So, okay, I'm going to tell you more about this in just a minute and introduce the company, but I just love this as a STEM option, and this is definitely hours of fun. So we bought this and put it together just a couple of days ago. Now, I will say, if you are looking for something that you have to that you cannot help your student with, so something that is like just really on them, this might not be the toy for you, because it definitely has a lot of pieces. It says ages 9 and older, which I definitely agree with, and I even think that 9 is sort of a stretch, but it is so beautiful. It's big, and it's just a lot of fun. Okay, so this is recommended for 9 and older, and it's 44 pieces of interlocking tiles, and the tiles are this big. 99 connectors, 4 teeth, 4 circle connectors, and 100 LED lights that are included. And it creates 4 separate figures, one at a time. So shark, octopus, seagull, and fish. Simple, easy to use, durable building system. It's no tools required. Now, they say the build time is 30 to 45 minutes. I definitely think it was more like, more like an hour to an hour and a half to 2 hours. And that was with a 14-year-old. One creation is complete. Enjoy it, play it. You can, I like to put it up as sort of a night light, something that really is fun, attached to their ceiling, just on maybe like a little hook, because it's beautiful. It's a beautiful display. And then you can play with it. If you don't want to put the lights in, you do not have to put the lights in. And it is like sort of an image of 3D art. So if you want to take pictures of it moving and create a digital animation, you can totally do that. And it's a really fun thing to put out at birthday parties too, if you want to just have something different hanging in the corner. So this is just a really great all-around cool STEM project to do. And if you think that your student might need a little help, I think that they can get almost all the way there, but you might have to offer some instruction. And then I am going to link a really good how-to video that we watched on YouTube that definitely helped us along. Okay, so I hope that you love this as a STEM product. It's so cool.